my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing great myself. So there's a video that my husband made about DIY face masks. He used tissue paper in that video. I shared that video, and I had people who came to me and they were telling me that especially people who live in Africa, okay, that the quality of tissue paper there is not really good, and you know the kind of tissue paper that when you use it, it's like it has these dust particles. That's most of them, they are allergic to tissue papers, and that the quality is not really good, and it's not easily, like not everyone like really has access to tissue paper. So they told me that like the DIY is good, but they really cannot get a good quality of tissue paper. So I decided to come up with another video because already I was thinking of doing a DIY face mask before my husband just pop up with that one that he made. That was why I started recording him. When I saw him, he just did the face mask with the tissue paper because he was thinking of going out, and suddenly he just did that one. I was like how do you do it? I never thought of using tissue paper before. I never had that idea. So I was thinking to do DIY face masks before he came up with that one. So because of the people who came to me and they say that the tissue paper is going to be a problem to them, and I really did mention that if you're allergic to like dust particles and all that, if you're asthmatic, please do not use tissue paper, okay? So in today's video I use something different. So I want to show you how you can do your DIY face masks with a piece of cloth, with anything that is a material, okay? That means it's going to be washable, it's not going to be disposable. All right, so if you want to see how I do my DIY face masks, very easy guys. Like you can use anything at all. I'm using my pillowcase. I have a pillowcase at home that I've not used, like it has been there for so long. I decided to use it to do this DIY face mask. So go into your house, search for anything. You can use a handkerchief. I had a handkerchief here with me, but I feel like it's very small and it's not going to really cover a maximum part of my face, like really cover it. So I said no, I'll use a pillowcase to do the DIY face mask. So guys, if you want to know how I do it, just keep watching. This is the pillowcase. There are all these long pillowcases, okay? So this is a hanky, but I feel like this hanky is very small. Okay, you can actually use a hanky to do it, but I tried using it. It's very small. If you have a big hanky, or if you have anything that that is like a cloth, you can use it, right? So this is what I'm using. I got it from my pillowcase. You can see the size. All right, so once you have your clothes laid out like this, another thing you're going to be needing this piece of cloth, right? And then you're going to be needing a rope. This is a rope. I got this from one of my shorts. Right, those shorts that comes with rope, or you can use the lace of your shoes. If you don't have this kind of ropes, you can use the lace of your shoe. Another thing you can use is rubber band, but I'm not going to be using rubber band in this video, okay? So you want to make sure that you fold your material, and your material you're using, you want to make sure that the material is not too thick that you cannot braid, because we need to braid, okay? Even though we are putting on face masks, we need to have a good circulation of oxygen. We need to braid, okay? So you have to fold it like this, and you can fold it again like this. Okay, like this. And then before you fold, do the next folding, put in your ropes, okay? Put in your ropes. And then you do the next folding like this, okay? You want to make sure that the ropes there are a bit long so that you can actually tie them behind your head. So once you fold it, you want to make sure that you take this part and insert it here, okay? since this is going to be washable, you take this part to insert it like that, and this is your face mask. So this is what it looks like. You can see the ropes hanging out on both ends. This is the inside, and this is going to be the front part. Alright, so I'm just going to show you now how I'm wearing it and how it looks on my face. Okay guys, this is my face mask. This is the inside part, and this is going to be the outer part. So I'm just going to wear it. When you're wearing it, you have to make sure you don't pull the strings too much. I want to make sure it's not too tight. Okay, so this is my face mask. If you think that this video was helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to drop a comment down below this video to let me know what you think. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, turn on if you are hitting that subscribe button, and as you do so, God bless you, and don't forget to share this video, and I'll see you again in my next video. To have a great day. Bye.